If you're looking for a no annual fee credit card to maximize the cashback on your grocery runs, well, this is the best card for it. The Amex Blue Cash Everyday card gives you 3% back on your grocery runs on up to $6,000 a year. Now, this is not to be confused with Amex's 3 other very similarly named credit cards, 2 of which have an annual fee, and the other one only earns 2% back in the form of membership reward points. In this video, I'm going to run through all the perks and tell you about my experience as a college student using this credit card. As I mentioned earlier, this is a no annual fee card, so that means you don't have to pay to own this credit card. You get 3% back on supermarkets up to $6,000 per year. Afterwards, it's down to 1%, but that's the only cap on this card. There's 2% back on gas in select department stores, unlimited, and also 1% back on everything else. And right now, 3% back is the highest for the category of groceries for a no annual fee card. You can also use it for Apple Pay or Android Pay using a digital wallet, and you can still earn that 3% back. You can easily track your reward dollars which you earn to redeem for statement credit, gift cards, and other merchandise. The only downside really is that you can only redeem in $25 increments, and you can't deposit the money into a bank account, but a lot of other cards also have this problem. You can get a $150 sign-up bonus if you spend $1,000 within the first 3 months. However, if you use my referral link right here, you can actually get a $200 sign-up bonus instead. And since this card is issued by American Express, you get all of the awesome perks that Amex has to offer, including the great customer service. They even have a nice little chat window on their website that you can easily use with very little waiting time. And you have access to Amex Travel, Amex Deals. They also sometimes have special discounts on concerts and other special events. The app is really user friendly. As you can see here, you can easily see your balance and make payments through the app as well. You also get a free FICO score using Experian. You have return protection, you have 24-hour roadside assistance, purchase protection, travel accident insurance. A lot of other credit card issuers are starting to take away a lot of these benefits, and it's really nice to see that this is still present for a no annual fee card. And of course, with most credit cards, you also get fraud protection and warranty extension. Then in terms of acceptance, let's first talk about being accepted by vendors in general. They are accepted by over 95% of US vendors, and that number is definitely growing. The main reason why it's not as widely accepted as the other brands like MasterCard and Visa is because they charge a much higher fee towards the merchants, but that fee also goes towards their obvious better customer service and all their other benefits. Then in terms of how easy is it for you as a customer to get this credit card, well, it's really easy. I got it personally with only 6 months of credit history, and as a student in college, my FICO credit score was in the good range, around 700 to 750. So if you have a credit history of at least 6 months and you have a pretty decent credit score, then I think you have no problems getting accepted for this card. So to sum things up, this is definitely the best no annual fee credit card that you can get at this time for a high cashback rate for groceries. It's also a really great beginner card since it's so easy to get accepted. It comes with that 2% unlimited cashback on gas, so that's really nice for somebody who wants a really practical card. And if you apply using my referral link, you get an additional $200 sign-up bonus, which will post automatically once you hit that $1,000 within the first 3 months. As you can see here, it just posted right onto my statement. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.